Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your Medicare number online if you do not have your Medicare card with you. So this is helpful if you need proof of coverage, your Medicare number, or Part A and Part B start dates. So first, go to United States Social Security Administration and sign into your account. You may need to use your Social Security number, either the public's one account for government or ID.me. And after signing in, go to your dashboard and look for the benefit verification letter and open the PDF version of the letter. Then check the Medicare information section. So this is where you can find your Medicare number and your coverage start dates. So Part A may show as hospital insurance and Part B may show as medical insurance. So another option here is to go to Welcome to Medicare and sign into your Medicare account. So once you are logged in, choose the option to get your Medicare card, and you may need to verify your password again. After that, you can view your Medicare card online, print it, or save it as PDF, and you may also have the option to order a replacement card if needed. So that is how you can quickly get your Medicare number online and use it as proof of coverage while waiting for your physical card. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.